If you are trying to download or install Duolingo application in your specific Android device or your iOS devices, today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, in order to download that application, you need to access your Play Store or your App Store if you are an iOS user. As you do so, at the top search bar, you have to type in Duolingo. Once done, tap on search. And then you will see this green mascot. That means Duolingo, which is your language lessons app. In my case, I've already downloaded Duolingo, but in your case, it will show as install. So tap on install or download, wait for this to load, and once you have installed the application, it will show open just like this. You have to tap on open, wait for this to load, and then get logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you may go ahead, create one. You can also sign up with Google. And likewise, this is how you can download and install Duolingo in your device.